Glass Animals. That is a simple way to play it. I'll show you different ways to play it, but that's a very simple way. The chord is B minor 7, and then on the first one they add the ninth, so it's like then that's the whole intro, and then it's a lot of the verse is just that. And then it starts on B minor. The chorus starts on B minor, A, G, E minor, back to G. That's the chorus. B minor, A, G, E minor, back to G. That's the whole song. Play it with bar chords, you can kind of see how it descends and then it comes back up. So we start in the B. A, G. A is just a passing chord. So if you want to, you can leave that out. And then it goes a F sharp minor to E minor, back to G. B, A, G. F sharp is just a passing chord too. So if you really wanted to simplify it, you go B, G, E minor, G, for the chorus. A simple something. Peanut butter bread. And I'm leaving out the F sharp and the A, which are just passing chords. Okay, but if you want to put them all in, B minor, A, G, F sharp, E minor, back to G. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.